Okay, we are now 6 hours in on day 35, which is gonna have to be the last day of this ride because we are practically there. We are in Southwest Harbor, Maine, which is out on Mountain Desert Island, and you might see the sign for the bike shop we just looked at. We had a little noise in the bottom bracket today, so we decided to pull into this bike shop and see if they could take care of the noise before we head for Cadillac Mountain. That worked out well. Actually, the noise was bugging me earlier today. Bugging me. Keeping me from getting all excited about the climb. But now we're ready to go. I met up with my support driver, Lana. Thank you so much, honey. And we went over to the Dry Dock Cafe. Had a little celebration drink for being out here in the region of Acadia National Park, and now it's about 5 or 6 miles up the road and we are going to hit Cadillac Mountain, and that looks like a climb. So let's get back to the scenic stuff. I'll take a couple of pictures and get my ass up the hill. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if that is Cadillac Mountain in particular, or maybe it's that one, or maybe the one over there, whichever one the tallest one is, and that is where we are going. And I gotta tell you what, now that I don't have that bike repair to think about, it's getting hard not to focus on finishing. And if I had it in me to be reflective, this would be the time when that would be going on. I think for right now, I'm just going to reflect on the fact that that bottom bracket was so bad that it was really adding a lot of extra drag to every pedal rotation. I just flew back up from that bike shop, and I am ready to tackle that mountain. Then let's talk when we get to the top. But there they are, right there. We're gonna get to some of the climb while it's still easy down here. About 10 minutes of pre-climb, and now about 4 or 5 minutes on this run up to the summit, where we're going to be switchbacking and taking on a little bit steeper grade. So far so good on the grade. I would say it's about 5% here. I am running second gear, I think. So, still got one more. Here's a little headwind that'll help take that out of here. Oh wow. There go my ears. Good clear. I wonder if that's it right there. If so, that's not going to be too bad. That can't be more than 1,000 feet. Means we're about a third of the way already. I'm also noticing perfect pavement for the way back down.
It looks like we're not going to get above the tree line at all or anything like that, so scenery's probably going to be just about like this the rest of the way. And I'm starting to think that maybe I ought to shift a gear, which requires the use of this camera hand. So, until the top.